Hey Robin, what do you think of my new SUV?
Don't you already have one just like that, Batman?
You mean that one?
Yeah, that one.
That one's blue and this one's black. And did I mention this one is supercharged?
Supercharged? Wait a second. What does supercharged mean?
Why don't you get in and you'll find out. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, Batman.
This is what supercharged is.
Whoa! This thing is super fast. I can't hold on. Well, hello, Batman. Is that a new SUV you have? Well, check out my new vehicle. Oh no, Batman, what are we gonna do?
I don't think he knows this is supercharged.
All right, Batman, that's enough. I retreat. Just kidding, I don't retreat.
That'll get you to retreat.
Hey, Batman, what do you say we test out this new cage in back?
Sounds like a good idea to me.
How dare you destroy my new vehicle and put me in this cage? I'll get you for this. Supercharged.